Hello friends, Aimflow here. We have a good news. We're made a new Rewasd config, special for Battlefield 6 players. You can find this configs in our Discord channel, link in bio. Let me tell you a bit about advantage of our configs. Unlike other configs, we offer better aim assist, which implemented using our unique macro on Rewasd. Reduced recoil on any gun, zero band chance, and almost no delay between Rewasd to your mouse. It allows you to feel more control over your mouse, like M&K players, but with aim assist.